Dow Jones and Nasdaq, after a sharp drop, has shown a very strong recovery towards the market close yesterday. So now, what to expect? Does it mean it is back to the bullish channel and it is going to recover from here and it is going to rise from here, or we can see a drop again? Which position you should take trading Dow Jones and Nasdaq today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into Tech 100, followed with US30. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels. Do trade as per the levels here. Now look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, you can see it is trying to retrace. See, this is the step which I will be looking forward for Nasdaq 100 to break, which means a sell entry at 12,620, and below that more bearishness may prevail. Yesterday also I told you below 12,660 you can stay short, and then you can expect first 12,550, which should not be breached. It breached below 12,550 and went till towards 12,520 levels. Now see, a good recovery, a crater is formed. I will wait for it to break past. See, if 12,720 is taken today, I told you yesterday also 12,720 is the level beyond which you can remain long. Expect 12,760, 800, and then 12,900, 13,000 also can be expected. Now see, it is trying to drop here. The step something I will look forward to is 12,620, 12,600. If these are breached, certainly more bearishness may prevail, and you can expect that it is going to remain in this bearish channel. Now let's have a further look on the indicators. Stock has overbought. MACD is still bullish. It has crossed over at a lower levels. It can look upwards. RSI looking down. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, similar is the observation here. And if you look at, see the bullishness, see the candle size has diminished after achieving the highs, again trying to retrace, and hence for 12,620, 12,720, do not trade for these 100 points. Stochastic overbought. MACD on the other hand is trying to cross over for a buy here. That is a good sign. And if you look at, see, rise, and after three crossover, it has achieved the bottom. Now possibly can try to look upwards again. The RSI trying to look upwards, show a little strength. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation. But one more observation to note here is, see, lower lows and lower highs, and hence I will certainly wait for it to break past 12,720 in order to confirm the reversal. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD trying to converge, crossover for a buy. It has not yet crossed over. RSI almost flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, see sharp drop, retracement, and see the slope of the drop and the retracement is different, which is also indicating that still do not consider this as bullish till it stays and breaks about 12,720 levels. Beyond that, certainly it is going to be in the path of a recovery. Stochastic looking up. The MACD is in red trying to converge. RSI also trying to look up and show a little strength. And if you look at the daily chart, now look at the daily charts here. See the previous two candle almost flat bottom, almost flat top. So waiting for it to break past on the upside about 12,720. Certainly we can see it trading bullish above that. Stochastic looking down. MACD trying to converge, crossover for a sell. It is still in green, and the RSI is trading almost flat. Considering this, very easy. Sell below 620, buy above 720 till 12,500. Be alert, and below that you can see it hitting directly 12,400 levels, which is the next stronger support on the upside. 12,800 and 900 something you should watch out for. Else I'll be directly looking forward for it to hit past 13,000 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 10th of April. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for US30. See the drop there. Then this is the retracement. I will wait for it to break past 32,600 levels. Certainly if it breaks past 32,600, that is the reversal for sure. Beyond that, we may see it hitting 32,800, 33,000 levels this time. But see, after a sharper drop, the recovery candles, you can see very small movement, very small recovery there. And hence if you see it trading below 32,450, you, or rather this zone at 32,440, you can sell and expect it to break below 32,400 below levels. In fact, as I said, you can sell here at 32,450 levels and expect a further drop for 32,400, 350, 300, and below that it is going to drop strongly. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over for a buy. It is trading with little divergence looking upwards. RSI is also showing a little strength. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, likewise, see the drop there, symmetry here, looking forward to recovery. Also, it has breached this channel, which was slightly bearish channel, now trying to look upwards. Now, see, the candle is still one bullish candle, three retracement candles, and the next candle might take it, in fact, till 32,600. That is also possible here. So, staying long above 32,520 will take it for 32,580, 600 levels, and beyond that, it is going to fly high. Stochastic looking up, MACD trying to converge crossover, RSI is also trying to stay bullish here. And if you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see two red candles, two green candles, lower highs here, lower lows here. Wait for it to break past 32,520, 550, 32,600. Certainly, you can make it a case for a good rally beyond 600 levels. Stochastic looking up, MACD not indicative of anything, RSI trading flat. And if you look at 4-hour charts, now see, more importantly on the 4-hour chart, see, previously lower highs were seen, lower lows were seen. This candle has tried to break out, and now this makes these levels here at 32,440 for 32,430. In fact, till 32,420 is a very strong support. So now you know that only below these levels should be considered for a good sell. Also remember, it has tried to breach, however not with conviction. Stochastic trying to recover, MACD trying to diverge, RSI trying to look upwards and show a little strength. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts, almost flat top, almost flat bottom, trying to trade in range, waiting for a breakout to be seen there. Now see, also I have told you several times, see the consolidation here, look upwards, and once it drops, it is going to be a sharper one. If it breaks out on the upside, this is also going to be a sharper one. Stochastic looking up, MACD divergent and bullish. Remember this fact. This is divergent and bullish. This is looking up. RSI is almost trying to look upward. So considering this, for the day, I will recommend you to sell here at 32. I will say 32,430, but then expect 32,400, 32,350, 300 is a very good support, and then below that 32,200 will be seen there. And on the upside, yes, you can stay long above 32,520, expect 550, then 600. See, if it breaks past 600, stay long in US30, it is going to hit 32,800, 33,000 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, my free Telegram link is mentioned where you can join, and it will keep you updated and posted with the latest analysis, results, and targets. Reach out to me for more details on Telegram, mentorship batch, and signals channel on my IDs. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.